Hello everyone, I'm Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. I'll be doing a voiceover for this video, which I don't do very often, so let me know if you like having a voiceover. The painting in this video is the multi-bloom technique, and I'm excited to announce that I have just recently launched an online course for this technique on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. So check out my website for more info on the multi-bloom online course. I'm starting with my base paint, which is PPG brand house paint. Lately, this house paint has been a little bit too thin and runny. A way I've been combating that is by leaving the top off my paint can for a few days so it will thicken up. I'm loving the colors I used for this. I've been using Lukas brand paint now for about a year, and I'm really happy with this brand. They work great for blooms, and they work great for my gradient Dutch pours. The colors I'm using here are Steel Blue, Sedona, and Apricot Light. And of course, the last color I add is my cell activator, which is titanium white. The cell activator is what's going to give us those gorgeous cells and lacing. I've layered the colors starting with the Steel Blue, then Sedona, and then Apricot Light. What's really cool about this technique is that you can layer the colors in different ways and you'll get a different looking painting each time. So if I reverse the order and placed Apricot first, then Sedona, and then Blue, even though I use the same colors, the painting would look different. The hairdryer I use is the Revlon Volume Booster. There's lots of hairdryers that fluid artists use that work great, but I've been using this brand of hairdryer for the last 6 or 7 years, and it's always been my favorite. It has just enough power to blow the paint, but not too much power that the paint goes everywhere. Now I'm starting on my last bloom. I usually do 3 blooms, especially on this size canvas, which is a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas. And as you can see, I'm blowing the paint from the center of the bloom outward. And of course, I'm going to spin my painting a couple of times. By spinning the painting, it helps to stretch the cells and lacing. Don't forget to check out my online course for this technique on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. Here is a pic of the dried results and also a close-up pic of the cells and lacing effect. Thank you so much for watching.